Hi, I'm Susan Bonner, and I teach at Kendall College of Art and Design in the Digital Art and Design program. And I'm excited today to talk to you about a new class that we have that we're offering in dual enrollment. So dual enrollment is when you can take a course while you're in high school and get college credit for it in addition to high school credit. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we do in digital art and design. Digital art and design specialists enjoy good salaries and creative, fast-paced work environments. Because it includes so many different areas of training, our graduates can look to many career paths like 2D animation, 3D game art, visual development, production art, interaction design, video, and motion design. The digital artist and the designer has to plan to be in a continual state of learning new technologies and methodologies. Digital art and design recruiters are seeking intangible skills such as a keen sense of storytelling, user experience, communication, and teamwork and creativity. We have focuses in digital art and design that use 3D, such as 3D game art, video and motion graphics, and interaction media. A 3D game artist uses skills like concept art and texture painting, hard and soft surface modeling, layout, which is setting up environments, animation, graphic user interface design, and sound design. So video and motion graphic designers, that would be for TV, web, film, and corporate motion graphics. Those designers use 2D and 3D motion graphics animation to get their point across. It could be in web, mobile, or AR or VR. And by starting out in this course called Intro to Digital 3D, you will learn to model objects for game, animation, and interactivity. This really gets you started on what it's like to be one of those artists and designers. The Intro to Digital 3D course is taught by a highly experienced 3D media and game artist that has created step-by-step videos that can help you to follow the instruction at your own pace because it's online. You will create your own 3D work and contact the instructor when you have questions about the software and your aesthetic choices. So let's say you're having a little bit of trouble. You can always go back and relook at the video for further instruction and kind of stop and pause it. Or you can also email and contact that instructor to help you out. There's also group discussions that will help you get feedback from your classmates about your work and your ideas. This builds a sense of community and unity as you work together as a group of students moving through this class at the same time. Intro to Digital 3D students will be able to understand the overall concept of 3D modeling with software called Modo. You'll learn the basics of low poly modeling for real-time use. You'll apply color to your 3D modeling by unwrapping and texturing in both Photoshop and in Modo. You'll create usable texture maps from photography and scans, as well as doing digital painting for your textures. You'll understand industry standard workflow of creating 3D assets. And you'll also do proper lighting and 3D rendering of these scenes and present the work in a professional manner. So here's how the course works. This is Brian Olmstead, one of the teachers, and he's going to go through some of the software that you'll do in class. So this is an in-class video.
My name is Brian Olmstead. I've been doing 3D for about 10 years now. I've been teaching for a little over 5 years. So realistically, this class is going to be fairly easy to follow. I tried to make it as easy as possible so you wouldn't miss anything. So it's going to be broken down into 3 different kind of subsections. There's going to be Canvas. This is going to be kind of your online portal from Ferris to the class. Then there's going to be my personal Google site that I'll take you through. And then we're going to be turning in files through Google Drive.
Talk to your teacher and contact the KCAD admissions team to see about signing up for this dual enrollment class. Check out kcad.edu to see more work. We want to welcome you to Kendall College of Art and Design of Ferris State University, and we can't wait to see you online.